Hey, morning. Anyway, this is dry Monday, and now comes the bit which I enjoy a lot, actually, which is fitting the car. I enjoy everything, but this I like because it's like it starts looking more like what it ends up looking like, right? So basically, we have a lot of bits here. Like for example, this is the back wheel thing. This goes upwards like that, yeah. And you see that's a different green. So what we have to do, or what I have to do, is fit the this is for the this is a step for the back wheel, I think, too. But this is for the aerial, yeah. This can go like that or like that, depending where you want to put it, on that side or that side. Is for an antenna for the radio, and these go there, yeah. Handles, that goes there, yeah. So start fitting all these bits. This is for the axe, that's for the cubby hole, different bits and pieces, right? And once I fit everything that goes in green, I blow it over again with another few coats of green paint, army paint, right? That goes in the back too. I've been spraying those. And we're all getting ready for, by the end of the week, put it on the Jeep, right? That's a 4-man job. So we're gonna bring another 2 guys in, maybe Ben and Paul, or see, or Gary. Basically take that off, take those off, and we thread the body through like that, and it sits on this, well, yeah. So it's gonna be interesting. It's gonna start looking more like a Jeep. So yeah, see you later, mates. That's the bonnet, the axle spade, that goes on too, right? And the seats inside. Once the bonnet, the body's on, I sprayed the seats, and someone's been putting their hands on it. Right. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Why am I making this video long? It has to be. Doesn't have to be, right? Just like that song, that movie.